St. Viateur Bagels have been baking up crispy delights since 1957. The now famous recipe was brought from Eastern Europe, forever leaving a cultural legacy with the people of Montreal.
Hi!
Hi guys, hi. Welcome to the bagel shop. I'm Vince, nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Vince.
Hi, I'm Collen. We're
Nice
so
to
excited
meet
to be
you. Are you
here.
guys ready to make Montreal's famous bagels?
Yeah.
So come to the table, we're gonna learn how to make Montreal's bagels. Wow. And what makes our bagels so different? We make them all by hand. So we don't need any electricity to make our Montreal bagels. We make them by hand, we boil them in water, and the oven's fired by wood. So this is what I want you guys to do. Put your hand on the piece and roll it out. Try and make a cylinder out of the dough. We're gonna wrap it around your hand like a bracelet.
Girls like that.
Yeah.
Like bracelets.
Bagel bracelets.
Bagel bracelets are always good.
There we go. So now push it and roll. Push it. What do you got? Let's see. Oh, Shay gets an A.
Oh, A plus.
A plus.
Yeah.
Mommy a B.
Oh. So how did the bagel come about?
Well, there's a story about a Polish king in the 1600s whose wife became pregnant, and they were so happy about the new prince to become that he commissioned the bakers in Poland to invent a special bread shaped like a bugle, which is the part of the saddle when you put on a horse that the foot goes through. So then over time, the bugle became a bagel. So they say that, these are lucky charms for pregnant women.
Oh, I would say so.
Anytime we see a pregnant woman, we give them some bagels.
Yeah, at 3 in the morning, it's always good.
It's
We
always
like
good,
that.
yeah.
So there's the Montreal bagel and then there's the New York bagel. What's the difference?
Well, I would have to say the main difference is that we never evolved. New York evolved, meaning they started producing bagels by machine.
That's what I love about this, is that it's so authentic and real.
Yeah, well, we don't want to change it. You know, if it ain't broke, why fix it?
After we finish shaping the dough, it's time to drop the bagels into boiling water, coat with sesame seeds, bake, and of course, taste test.
They're hot.
Ah.
There you go. There's one for you. There's one for you.
Oh, there.
Yeah, it is hot. And one for me.
Is it too hot? Can you bite into it?
Well, this is the thing to do in Montreal. A hot bagel right out of the oven, any time of day.
Oh, this is great. You like it? What do you think? I think these are so good. We should get some to go. What do you think?
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
You want some bagels to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Good.
Take a real
Have fun in Montreal.
Okay, say goodbye to Vince.
Bye, guys. Come see us again. Bye.
We will.